No.
Nice, buddy. Awesome. Colton just caught a perch. Nice one, dude.
Mm-hmm.
Got him? What's happening here, bud? There we go. Still got him? Yeah! Nice.
I just saw it move, so I thought I would just check it.
Sweet.
Yeah, we'll show every single fish we caught at the end of the video.
Let's see that bad boy. Nice. Turn him the other way. Whoop. Right on. Good catch.
Yeah.
Deadly.
Uh-huh.
No action.
I think I just saw it move.
Did you?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. Oh, I think there's a fish on there, bud. Start reeling. I think there's a little guy on there. Yeah, reel, reel, reel. There, now he's fighting. Nice. Another one.
Yeah.
Whoop. Awesome. Did he get off?
Yeah.
There was definitely one on. Yeah.
Yeah.
Woo!
Woo. He stayed on there for a long time.
Nice.
Good thing we didn't lose him.
Yeah. Good work, bud.
Yep.
Let's see him. Yes. Slippery, eh?
Mm-hmm.
Need some help. All right. Nice.
Keeps slipping.
Here, let's take a look. There he is. Good catch.
Yeah.
There's a hungry whiskey jack flying around us. We're gonna see if he wants to eat this guy. Now he's bird food. Okay, let's set him up. We'll go set him up in front of the camera and we'll leave it and we'll see if the whiskey jack will come get him.
Yeah. Just go there. That's cool.
Oh, dude. Wow. We were trying to film the whiskey jack eating a perch and Colton just caught on that hogger.
Whoa.
Careful. Nicely done, bro.
Yeah, bro, this is good.
That's a good one. That's one of the bigger ones today.
Yeah, I think this is the biggest one we caught.
Cool.
I got 5 fish.
5?
Yeah.
Okay.
In my pile.
All right, let's try and get that whiskey jack now.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yep.
Good one, bud.
Now
Okay, try this again.
Yeah. Try it again. That fish was big.
Okay, we better get another bait down there.
See, guys, that's how you feed.
Got another one. Hammering them.
This is our 8th one.
Number 8?
Yeah.
Nice. Got another one. Did you choke it?
No, so
You know? Oh, right on. Nice.
yeah.
Another nice perch, eh?
Yep.
Good work, buddy. Should we pack her in?
Yeah.
All right.